Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Lots for Less with me, Avanita. In my video today guys, I'm just going to show you how I create this beautiful spring decor table with some bunnies, some eggs, and I've dropped some blue colors in there. Now the colors that I've chosen, as you can see, they kind of match the We Are Engaged sign that I did last week, and the reason why I chose these colors is I want to incorporate some colors into our engagement and our wedding reception, but I'm not really sure, so I just did some colors that I got here at home. All of these stuff or stuff that I have already. I haven't bought anything. I just went through my inventory, if that's the word to say, because I've got loads of stuff, and then just choose some stuff that I want to just to try out and just try the colors and then just see how they fit in. I mean, definitely we won't be using the Easter bunnies and the eggs, but the colors, I mean, like pink, rose gold, blue, gold, and green, and of course white. So these are things we use, and as you can see from my console table as well, I've still kept the We Are Engaged sign, and the colors are still there, like purple, lilac, green again, gold and silver. So I'm just playing around with some stuff. So guys, please let me know what you think of the colors in the comment section below. If you're new here guys, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And to my returning subscribers guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So without further ado, let's go straight to the decor. So I just went ahead and cleaned my table and then just add in my tablecloth. I got this tablecloth from BnM, and this one I got it off eBay. I actually used this pink one to add on to my epoxy table that I did last year. So guys, if you want to see how I use epoxy on my table, because this wasn't the color of my table last year, I'll leave a link with that video down below. You can check it out guys. It is so amazing. It was my first time using epoxy. So I just went in with my lilies that Gabba got me. They're so beautiful. Lily is one of my favorite flowers, and he knows. So I went ahead with some twine. These are twines that you use to kind of wrap gift, and just use some knots onto the tablecloth as to where I want to give it a little bit of a detail. You can use your hand just to ruffle things around, just to make it as how you want it to look. And then I went in with my home bargain lantern. I got these lantern last year, and the charger plates, I got them from the pound store. They're £1 each. I just clean them off and then just start adding my plate. I got this plate from Mighty Pound. They were £1 as well. My glass, I got them from Wilko. Yeah, and then I just went in with my Sundae bowls and my napkin and napkin rings holder. The napkin rings, I got them from Mighty Pound as well. They're £1 for 6. The napkins, I got them on eBay. I don't remember how much I paid for them, but I'll have a look, and if possible I'll share it with you guys. But yeah, and obviously I just went in with my knife, fork, and spoon. So this table decor isn't a huge table decor. It's just a really simple, quick and easy table decor. I just add some egg that I've DIY, and I just put my bunnies that I got from TKMAXX on, and then this is what everything looks like after I finish decorating the table. As I said before, it's not a real big extravagant decoration. It's just a simple decoration that I decided I want to do, just to kind of give me an idea on colors to use in our wedding and engagement decorations. It's given me a lot of ideas already, but I'm not really sure as to basically which colors I want to use or we want to use. So I just showed it with you guys so you guys can give me your ideas and your opinions as well, to let me know what you think about the colors. I mean, Gabba saw it, he's in love with it. He's telling me that it looks nice as always. As soon as Gabba sees, like, wow. And literally it's always me waiting to hear his reaction, and this reaction every time is just amazing. But yeah, these are the bunnies. I got them from TKMAXX. I got them last year. This is before COVID, so yeah. And the lantern again, I got it from Home Bargain. This jug, I got it from Tesco. It was £5 and it was on sale. And the eggs, as you can see, I actually DIY them myself. They came in the foam, and I just used some hot glue with some beads and just go around it and just glued it on. So yeah, guys, comment below and let me know what you think about my simple table decor. And also this is like a pre-engagement decoration table idea, if that's too much words, but either way, it's like giving me ideas on how to decorate for our wedding. And this is my console table. Now I've moved a few stuff around like these, but I put a lot of my stuff away, so I didn't want to go up in the attic to get them, so I just changed what I had downstairs. I didn't go up and get that much, but I've kept the we are engaged sign. I've kept a photo of my dad that Gabba drew for me, and a printout of Tyrese and Trayvon. And I'm in love with this little console table. It's just simple. Again, if you haven't seen where I made my console table, I'll leave a link with that video below if you want to check it out. And then this is just a shot of my living room. Now I've done a lot of rearranging in my living room. You will see there's a lot of holes in the walls because I've taken off shelves, I've taken off a lot of things, as you can see. So my apologies, I just need to get time just to kind of fill them out and sort it out. But yeah, this is what my living room looks like, because I changed it around to kind of suit the way how it's feeling. I just felt everything just looked the same, so I just changed it around. And this is my fireplace that I've decorated for East. And again, I try to keep the colors as neutral as possible throughout the living room. I'm so much in love with where my TV is at the moment. So much in love with it. I love it so much. Yeah, and as you guys remember, I did my windows. I've kept the Venetian blinds, if I'm saying it correct, and I just add some curtains, some some pillows and that, and it looks really cute. You can't tell that literally I DIY'd almost every single thing in this living room. Yeah, I DIY almost every single thing in this living room, including my fireplace. Because when I came here, it wasn't looking like this. So I DIY'd every single thing in this living room, and I'm happy with the way how it turned out. So guys, this is the table for the last time. I know I've showed it so many times, but either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out my video with me. I hope you enjoy it, guys. Comment below and let me know what you think on my video, and also let me know what you think about the colors. Guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you again on Saturday. Thank you. Bye bye.